Hi guys, it's Friday late evening and I'm making a soup. Currently I'm making I have a towel on top of me. I'm making a beef broth and I also green the beetroot and I'm going to green the carrots and then cut the potatoes and onions, and this is going to be a borsh soup. So it's kind of cold, so Andrew made a fireplace. We don't have a lot of wood, but we are going to take a small bag for this house as we have not so many days in here. So we will take a small box of wood, and I just beetroot hands. I just wanted to let you know that I'm making a soup, and I am pretty sure that it's going to be amazing. And that's the sound of Simba eating his food. He's right here. I'm gonna let you know how the soup will be in the end. So, guys, what do I have here? I have a broth that is cooking in here. I have a couple of pieces of beef on the bone and some beef, just like pieces of beef. Like I have two of those and small ones, but I think I will need to cook it for another hour at least. Then I need to open it a little bit. Then I also have a beetroot, carrot and onion with a little bit of broth here. I have potatoes ready here. I have a little tomato paste. What else? I might add a little bit of vinegar, and I also need to add this. I thought I'm finished with chopping and cutting. Okay, I need a little bit of this. I will add it later. For now, I'll just need this to be ready, and then I will mix it together. I will put potatoes in the broth to cook, and that's basically it. Guys, it's pretty late. Andrew already went to sleep. I'm not sure if he fallen asleep already or not. And I need to get the meat out of the pot and separate the bone from the meat itself. And then I need to boil potatoes in the broth and add this super crazy mix of beetroot, carrots, cabbage, onion to it. And it's gonna be it. I'm not going to eat it at night. I'm just going to let it sit here and prepare for us to have it. Hi guys, it's Saturday. Um, I have a meeting with girls today. Andrew is out in the city with my car because his car is at his mechanic is making something. I'm cleaning the terrace as usual. Simba came for some food and now he's almost gone. The weather is amazing. Like really nice, a little bit cold, but the sun is really hot. So I'm gonna put you on a time lapse here while I'm cleaning. Guys, I forgot my camera at home. I just I wanted to get out of the house a bit earlier, and in the end I was late and I needed to get Andrew to his mechanic. I already said that too, but I needed to get him there. So yeah, uh, that's why I'm a bit late as well. And I thought that I'm gonna spend a lot of time to find a parking, but I came to the parking where I usually park, the free one. Look at this clouds, great. And yeah, there's like plenty of places where I could have parked, so I did that. And now I'm in a hurry to go to my girls, spend some time with them. We are going to visit, yeah, I told it already as well, but I'm gonna try to film the gallery for you and maybe a little bit of the vibes of our evening. I took a jacket with me as usual. Not sure if I would need it, but it's kind of windy, I should say, and it might be that it's going to be colder when the sun will completely go down. Guys, it's Sunday and it's really dark outside. We woke up and there's like a thunderstorm and rain and all this stuff. And yesterday I wanted to film a gallery for you, but we met earlier than it should have opened, and we went to a place to have some food and some tea, and then we went to the gallery and we found out that it was closed on Saturday. It was only open on Saturdays in October, and in November it's not. So yeah, we didn't have a chance to visit it. And then we went to the usual cafe where we usually spend time and had some more talking, so I didn't have something to film for you, unfortunately. And also I forgot that I didn't show you the soup, and Andrew is warming it up right now, I think. Yeah. So here's how it looks, and it's really good and tasty. And I think I already told you the recipe, like the way I did it, and if you didn't get something you can ask me and I will tell you again. Yeah, this is what happening outside, and on the camera it even looks more lighter than it is. And our cat is somewhere not here. Simba! Today we will also go to a place, I will explain you later. So guys, we're out of the house, and what I wanted to explain is that we are going to the place. Oh wait, I'm gonna show you. Look, you don't really see the way I see it. There's like the light above this hill, very beautiful one. So what I wanted to explain is that we are going to this place. They call it like a Tex-Mex place, something like that. They have a lot of meat in there, and I showed you when we went there last time. It was a couple of weeks ago or something. I showed you what we ate there, and the thing is, I have a key. The thing is that we didn't really like what we ate. Like the ribs were kind of cold, and they didn't put enough of the tea leaves, so the tea was kind of watery, and I don't know how it happened. Like, but Andrew received a message afterwards from a manager, and she said that, like, next time we're gonna come, we can have a free meal, like on them. And that's because we told the waiter in the end of our meal that we didn't really liked those things. So
actually, I told in the chat to the owner of this
you told it in the chat. Okay.
I left the feedback.
Okay.
That
So
was not,
yeah,
were not
so here in
satisfied.
Cyprus we have a Russian chat of people who discuss the places, the restaurants, and the owner, he is in this chat, so he saw Andrew's review. Yeah, so we are going there, and then we have some Russian movie that is showcasing at the cinema in Limassol. So first we're going to eat, and then we are going to a movie. And as you can see, I'm wearing a jacket, and Andrew is wearing a jacket or a hoodie, I don't know how to call it. That means that the cold is here. Yes, I'm really happy about it. So guys, we parked at my favorite parking, the place where I parked yesterday as well. I'm gonna just make a little time lapse for you of how we walk to the place throughout the Limassol city. Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere. Hi guys, it's Monday and I'm creating a video for you from the weekends, and I just realized that I didn't make the last piece of the video yesterday where I'm saying you goodbye, and I also wanted to explain that yesterday when we went back home the weather got worse, and we had kind of storms around, and like the water was everywhere, and the roundabout that we are using when we go home from the city, from the center of the city, it was all like the cars were drowning, there. So Andrew made a little piece of he made a little video of how we were going through it. So I'm gonna put it here so you can see. I see you very soon in the next video. Bye bye.